Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make this famous French yogurt cake together. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 3 eggs and 1 cup of sugar. Then we go ahead to mix it with our hand mixer or our balloon whisk until it becomes very fluffy. This yogurt cake is a very moist cake and is very delicious. So don't miss any step so that you'll be able to achieve a great result. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this family. If you're a regular, thank you so much for your support. Let's continue the recipe. After mixing, it should look like this. It's time to add the star of the show, our plain yogurt. We will be adding 1 cup of plain yogurt to it, that is 250 grams. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Then we go ahead to mix it until it's properly combined. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add our vegetable oil. We'll be using half cup of vegetable oil, that is 125 milliliters. Then we go ahead to mix it up until it's properly combined. Now we'll add the rest of our ingredients. We'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, that is 10 grams. Then we go ahead and mix it very well until a smooth batter is formed. Next, we'll go ahead and transfer our cake batter into our cake pan. But first, we have to prepare our cake pan. You can either spray some vegetable oil on it, or you layer it with parchment paper, or you grease it with butter and some flour, whichever one you prefer. We'll go ahead and bake it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit, or until skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once our cake is baked, we transfer it to a cooling rack or a plate to cool down completely before we can cut right into it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. If you have any questions or video recommendations for me, please drop it in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. If you've been watching without subscribing, please kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this family. We make amazing recipes. Also, check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Tell somebody to tell somebody about this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.